In this video, you'll learn how to use the guide on your Hulu plus Live TV supported living room devices to browse what's available on Live TV now and later. To use the guide to browse Live TV, you'll need a Hulu plus Live TV subscription and the latest Hulu app installed on a Live TV supported living room device. To access the guide, you'll first need to launch Live TV on your device. Hulu plus Live TV subscribers will see the Live TV lightning bolt icon available in the main menu navigation bar at the top of the screen. Select this icon to launch Live TV. While streaming Live TV, you can access the guide to change channels and browse what's available. To pull up the guide, hit the down button on your remote or controller. If you're using an Apple TV, swipe up. To browse through everything that's currently airing live, simply scroll up or down with your remote. Press or swipe right to see what's coming up next. Looking for something a bit more specific? Press or swipe left to filter your options with the Live TV channel filters. The guide also makes it easy to quickly check what's available on Live TV. Within the guide's grid view, you can use the special content badging to quickly determine what's new, recording, and even unavailable. To view additional broadcast details for a specific event, select it to open the Options panel. Within the Options panel, you can jump right to the live stream, tap or select Watch Live, view even more details and related content, tap or select Show Details, set your event to record to Cloud DVR, tap or select Record, and that's it! Now you know how to browse what's available on Live TV with the guide and the latest Hulu app on your Live TV supported living room devices. Have questions? Want to know more? Head to the Hulu Help Center and search for Live Guide.